when emotions are suppressed or not fully expressed, they get stuck in the body. So a Qigong exercise like shaking the tree, like we're doing now, can help to unstick stuck emotions and get them flowing and moving again down and into the earth in a way that is healthy and gentle. And if you want a whole class on this where we go slowly and step by step through it, you can go over to my main channel where we did a whole class on cleansing the emotions. With this one, I'm just going to give you 5 Qigong techniques. Okay, you're going to start by twisting from side to side. And this is going to open up your kidney, your door of life, to release fear. So you just swing from side to side, and your arms are going to hit your low back, and this helps to release fear. The next one is to release stress and anxiety. You're going to bang up and down your heart center. Okay, as you're banging up and down your chest, you're going to make the sound ha to release anxiety and stress. And then you can smooth it out, hand over hand, down your heart center. The next one is for your lungs to release sadness and grief. You're going to inhale up and exhale. Next one is for your lungs. You're going to inhale up from the base of your lungs, drawing up that grief and sadness, and then exhale out with a s to release. And then you're going to take your hands on your right side, below your rib cage on your liver. I'm not mirroring you. And you're going to shake. Shake, 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 shake. Shh. While you're saying shh. This releases anger, resentment, irritation, frustration, and resentment. I already said resentment. Lots of resentment. Shh. And then massage your liver. And then go over to your spleen on your left side, underneath your rib cage. I'm not mirroring you. And you're going to massage your spleen for worry. And you're going to make the sound whoo. 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 And then we're going to balance that all out with your triple warmer. You're going to inhale up, bring water up, and fire down. And this will help to relieve stress and overwhelm. Inhale up, visualize bringing water up, and fire down. So again, the whole class is over on my main channel, where we spend lots of time with all of it. So if you want to check that out, definitely do it. It's a great class.